Guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use portrait mode. Make sure you have positioned your chair. After that, you walk into the scene. Just sit down, adjust yourself, sit the way you want. After that, you can now throw this your hand as if a serpent appeared. You can stay like that for a few seconds or few minutes. All right. Then after that, now you can now walk out. Okay. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to another amazing tutorial. You are clicking on CapCut, new project there. Import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there like we normally do. Click it as we silence the volume. Alright, locate where you want this video to start from. Before you bring up your hand, you lift your hand. You come click here now. Click here and make a split, guys. You delete this first part. We don't need it again. You are clicking the video to expound it. All right. After expounding it, now look at the next thing we are going to be doing. All right. Just move the video. No, still click the video now and drag the character down. Position yourself very well. After positioning yourself, then we are going to be making a split. Immediately you throw your hand from here, click it now and make a split. All right, then this video is too long, we are going to be reducing it. Click here and reduce it. After reducing, the video is still long, reduce it. Let's locate where we want the video to end. All right, before you stand up, you are going to be clicking here to make another split. You delete this last part. Then you come back now. Look at that arrow there, guys. You are going to be marking on this arrow now to click on overlay. Add overlay here. You import your green screen serpent, your snake. Then you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, guys. Click on chroma key. You drag it. You mark on this good. You go back. You are clicking it again to locate adjust. Look for adjust. Click on adjust and locate HSL. Look for HSL, you mark on it. Look at that green there. Click it to reduce saturation to 100%. Then you mark on this good here. Then you go back. Then you are clicking on this serpent to expound it. Expound it for a clearer view so that you see what you are doing. After expounding it, you go and look for mask. All right, click it to locate mask. Okay, look for mask. Click on mask now, guys. You click on circle. Come and circle this serpent the way you want to use it, the way you want it to be. Just do your circling. After circling, you are going to be playing with this feather icon here. All right, just do your circling. Come down and do your circling. After circling, you play with that feather icon there by dragging it down a little bit. You mark on this good here. Then you are going to be going back. All right, then at this point you click it to position it the way you want it to be. All right, so just come down and do it. After doing it, guys, at this point I am going to be dropping the link of this green screen serpent at the description of this video, so that in case if you want to use it, then you come down. As you click it now, go and look for freeze. All right, you freeze this part. Then you click this one and delete it. Click this one and delete it. Then at this point you come to this second part of it. All right, you drag it, click on this one. You are coming back to come and click on this one. Go back, click on this one, drag it to align with this. Then you come to this second part and do your necessary adjustment. As you can see that when the serpent or snake shake itself, it looks as if that your hand is reviewed. All right, so make sure you do your necessary adjustment so that no part of your hand is going to be shown. All right, so just come down and do your necessary adjustment. As the snake shake, you can see that your hand is going to show. Look at what is going to be happening here. Look at your hand there. That is why you will come back now and click on it and add keyframe, so that will take care of that. So add keyframe here, then you adjust it immediately. This your hand shows. So you are going to be using your hand to do as if you turn that snake to cover your hand. Just take time and look at what I am doing. Take time and do your own necessary adjustment so that your hand will not be showing. Just take time to do your own, okay? So you take your time here, guys. Just take your time. After which, look at your hand is showed here again. Just do your necessary adjustment. After that, you are still going to move the video so that you check whether there is any part. Look at your hand is still revealed here. Look at it. This right part, you can see that your hand showed a little. You can do your necessary adjustments. All right, just take time here. After which, you adjust the video to the end so that you'll be sure that nowhere your hand revealed. Look at your hand is showing at that right part again. So you still push it now to cover that your hand. Push the snake to cover that good. So at this point, I feel this part is now ready. Okay, so we are going to be coming back to this second part. We are playing this one. Come back here now. We are going to be doing something here, but before that, guys, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do so for more updates. All right, tell us what you feel about this video. Drop it at the comment section. All right, then at this point, you are welcome back to this tutorial. Click on this green screen here, click it, then you click on animation. Look at that fade in there. You click on fade in. Then you come and adjust it to the number you feel you want to use. After which you mark on that good and go back. Then let's play it now to see what we have got so far. All right, then you play it. Let us see. Look at it. Look at the magic. Fantastic. Is this not good? This is very good. All right, so after this now, don't forget to add your sound effect and every other effect you want to add on this video. Then after adding all the necessary effects, now you can export your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add all those sound effects or every other effect for this video. Don't worry, we got you covered on that. My number is at the description of this video. Just go and DM me, then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. Then after that, you click on export, then you allow this video to export to your gallery. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right, but guys, tell us your opinion about this video. Which magic effects would you want us to create next? Drop them at the comment section. If you love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe.